I don't know what happened, but it's just flames. It's burning. They're throwing. They're running. It's grabbing. Everyone is grabbing. We're just grabbing here. I don't know what's going on, but it's a PE News. I'm opening up a channel today. It's a PE News, and as y'all can see, I'm in work. I'm actually in work, but we're burning buildings in PE. We're throwing. I blame all the Malawians for this. I don't know why. As y'all can see, we're just burning here. I don't know what's about to happen, but this building has to be closed. The streets has to be closed. I don't know. We as family, we have to work together and vote all these Malawians out of the country. I really don't know. We're grabbing. We're grabbing. The subs and stuff is flying out. I don't know. And yeah, we're grabbing. We're taking. The water spilling. Everything. Rasta roots.